Okay, as promised, I made a 3D model for plugs for these Blaze saddlebags. There is a right and a left. They don't go in this way or anything like that. The hole has to be on the top. You have to be able to read Blaze. So this one's on the right side. You can see I got one in over here on the left. And what these do is they keep dirt and debris from getting in here or getting in here and fouling up putting your bracket in here. I rode 5 miles and these did not come loose. You might have to scale up or down 0.5% when you print them yourself. That hole I put in there at the top, that's just if you want to put a zip tie or some stainless safety wire. You could probably even take the twist tie off of a loaf of bread, but you put it in there and then just snug it. It stays in there really well. I did try and make one with a detent for this, like the actual brackets have, but the PLA material kept breaking. My TPU material was too flimsy, so I just gave up on it, but these fit really well. I don't think you're going to need the detent, so website down here at the bottom, and if you go to my channel, up in the top right corner in the banner picture, there's a link to my Cults 3D profile where you can get all my prints. But yeah, there you go. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.